Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share this makeup tutorial for Haldi functions, and it's appropriate for any day functions like mehendi. It's a very soft and subtle glowing makeup, very easy to create and long lasting. And for this look I have two hair options. One is open hair and other one is a bun. Many of you don't like to keep your hair open, so for them I have this hair bun. The video link will be in the description box. So let's get started to the video. I'm going to apply the Blue Heaven primer on my moisturized face. It smoothens out the base and also minimize the pores and also keep the perfect moisture on my face. Then I'm using the Safe Sun sunscreen from Lotus, and I'm going to apply all over my face with my fingertips. After that I'm using the orange corrector from Elec Pro and applying this on the areas where I have dark circles or like dark patches on my face. And then I'm using my fingertips to blend it out. Then I'm using Studio Fix Fluid Foundation from MAC, and my shade is NC42, and I'm going to use with my fingertips. I chose this foundation because it also has some SPF and it's kind of high coverage, so it's perfect for any functions. Then I'm going to blend the foundation with a buffing brush from Real Technique. After that I'm going to dab my damp sponge over it. Then to conceal and highlight my face I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and my shade is medium. And I'm going to apply this on the usual part of my face, like on my high points of my face, like underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, around my mouth, my brow bone, and on my upper eyelid. And then again I'm using a buffing brush to blend it out. And after that, to make my skin look flawless and to make the concealer and foundation base long lasting, and I'm again going over with the damp sponge. Then to avoid any kind of sweat and creasing, I'm going to apply some NYX setting spray on my face with the help of this damp sponge. Then I'm going to apply this translucent powder from Sugar, and today I'm avoiding any kind of banana powder or that sort of thing because I don't want my face to look heavy, because it's a daytime function and translucent powder makes my skin look flawless. So for daytime it's always a right choice to apply translucent powder over a banana powder. And then I'm going to dust off the excess product that I have on my face. Then to warm up my face I'm using the shade, and I'm going to apply this on the hollows of my cheek and a little bit on my chin and on my forehead. Then from the Sephora Geometric palette I chose this shade as my blusher, and I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheek and a little bit on my nose, on my forehead and on my chin. This pink shade going to give my face a natural and nice pinkish glow. Then with the two shades from the same palette I'm going to contour my face. Now first I'm going to apply this on my jawline, and then going to apply this on the hollows of my cheek and on the side of my nose. First I'm going to dust off the excess product that I have on my brows with a brow brush, and then I'm going to use these two shades from the Sephora Geometric palette, and here I'm using an angular brush. First I'm going to use the lightest shade from the inner corners of my brow and going to fill my arch with the darker shade. Then I'm again use the shade which I applied for my face earlier and going to apply this on my eyelid as well as on my lower eye waterline. Then I'm using this pink shade from Maybelline V Face Contour Palette and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid, and this time I'm applying this on my crease line. Then I'm going to add this shimmery shade from the LA Colors palette, and here I'm using my fingertips to apply this. I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. I'm not going over my crease line. And then I'm using a round eyeshadow brush to blend out the harsh edges, and going to apply the same shade on the inner corners of my eyes with a pencil brush. And then I'm using this contour shade from V Face Contour Palette from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply this on the outer part of my eyelid, and also I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. Then I'm using Fortune Favors the Brave palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm using this dark purple shade. And I'm going to apply this on my lower waterline. And also I'm going to apply this on my upper eyelid, just close to my lash line, and also create a soft wing. Then to tightline my eyes, I'm using the kajal from Faces Canada, and my shade is black. And I'm going to curl my lashes with this Body Shop lash curler, and going to apply the mascara, and here I am using this Color Essence mascara, and I'm going to apply this for both of my upper and lower lash line. Then I'm going to use this highlighter shade from LA Colors palette, and I'm going to apply this on my brow bone and also on my inner corners, and with the help of a fan brush I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face. Then I'm using the Rosy Sunday from 9 to 5 range from Lakme, and I'm going to fill my lips with this, and then I'm going to put these jhumkas and some matching bindi, and that's it. And that's the complete look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.